Hello and welcome. As you know, I am all about the user experience and client journey, getting them from that juicy first impressions to extraordinary transformations and results. So let's talk links, link trees, those things. But if you don't know what it is, here's a quick examples. There are multiple ways how you can create yours with the help of other tools like Milkshake, Canva, Linktree, or obviously my favorite way, just creating extra page on your website with your links, as those external options might have some problems down the road. So it's always safer with your own website. I feel there is still floating around this old way of thinking, just have one link, don't confuse people, sell one thing. Well, agreed, don't confuse people, don't confuse your potential clients as you want them to buy, but also make smart decisions, have the data to back it up. Don't underestimate your buyers. They are smart, they are not dumb. Deliver them epicness, okay? So they will not click on your link and be like, oh my gosh, I'm so lost. They might likely be, where the fuck is what I need, what I'm searching for? Seeing the different ways, getting to know you, and different ways how your free or paid resources can help them will be more rewarding. They will have this shopping, this real shopping experience, like in a candy shop, okay? So remember different stages of your audience. Well, same applies here. For different stages they are in, either they just getting to know you, or maybe they already follow you for a while and ready to purchase, or they are client already. They will want different things. So why would you want to not honor those needs? So the most frustrating thing, someone talks about their new offer or product or podcast episode that just dropped, and they are so excited, and the dream client comes in and like, oh, they are also excited and I want to check out, but hey, no, screw that. They can't, because the link in a bio is that old link that someone forgot to update months ago, promoting expired offer now. Oh well, disappointment creeps in and excitement fades, and nothing really happens. Having different links that lead to multiple things are so valuable. In short, concise way, they know exactly what to expect from you, and either they want to explore more. Give them options. Get in a flow with money. Of course, don't forget to update them and also include your main website link too. In my opinion, good structure of the page like this is starting with your face, preferably logo as well, and maybe even a tagline. Then link to your homepage. Then whatever it is you are launching right now, what's really hot and actual. And after that, like some freebies or content more for cold audience, your first impressions. Then what is the next step for them when they are ready to buy something from you? Like, what do they check out? So this is the page, basically your first impressions. Make it count, because did you know it takes your ideal client 1/10 of a second to decide if they can trust you or not. So first impressions matter more than you think. Be it extraordinary or be forgotten.